Someone had asked me, how do you solder jump rings? And there are a number of ways with flux, and different flames. But I want to show you today on the Orion Micro Welder with a stylus. It's a pinpoint, and it can weld. You don't need solder. Open jump ring, closed. Say if you had something that was very fine and a very small jump ring. I'm going to make something using something slightly bigger so you can see it in video. And usually, it should be under the glass, which darkens. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to do it here. Here I have 10 watts. Let's see how it goes. There we go. And had it been, this is done. Now, I would pickle it, or I could have done some paste beforehand or used a bit of tape to protect against the fire scale, the blackening. Or I can use pickle to clean it, or I could just simply brush it off, buff it off. And you have it.